podcast of the Law Office of Libby Banks, Estate Planning, Wills, and Trusts. Your estate planning attorneys in the Phoenix Valley.
Hi, I'm Libby Banks, the managing attorney for the Law Office of Libby Banks.
And I'm Allison Gloss. I'm the associate attorney here.
I wanted to mention today that we have a new program for our clients. So when our clients come to us, they are looking to make sure that when they pass away, everything is smooth for their family. They want to avoid probate. They want to make sure that the family knows where to go and can have access to the attorneys to help them out, and that their distributions are made the way they want. So one of the things that help us avoid probate is making sure that the plan is always in good shape. So we want to make sure that the assets are funded to the trust. We want to make sure the trust is up to date, that if there have been changes in the family, that you're aware of how it might affect your trust. If there's changes in the law, you know how that might affect you. And we want to offer also greater education for clients, ongoing education about things that they might want to consider and that their family may need to know. So I'll let Allison talk a little bit about some of the elements of that program.
Yeah, definitely. So this program is called the Legacy Care Program. And like Libby was saying, whenever you set up an estate plan, it takes maintenance to make sure that it's going to work properly. And so some of the things that we're offering are an annual meeting with your attorney or a paralegal to review your estate plan to know does it need to be updated? What are your assets? Because as Libby was saying, things change in life. So you might have bought a new piece of real estate and you forgot to fund it into your trust. Or you opened up an investment account that didn't go into the trust or have beneficiary designations on them. So we would meet with you to review your assets and review your plan. And then we'd also offer a family care meeting. So we would meet with your family or your decision makers to kind of give them an overview of what their responsibilities would be and give them a little bit of education on what the plan is. We would also, in this program, liaison with your CPAs and financial advisors to make sure that your assets are in alignment with your estate plan. And
so one of the things is our Legacy Care Vault. And so if you've been watching our podcast, we had John with My Life and Wishes on to talk about what they offer as far as a secure portal. And it's military grade security, I think is how it's talked about. But it's an opportunity for you to have a place to upload your documents, potentially put in passwords or safe combinations, an opportunity to make sure there's a list of assets as well as account numbers, and for you to be able to maintain those over time so that they're always up to date and accurate. So when the family needs to step in, either because you're incapacitated or to take over after your passing, that they really have everything they need in one place to know what you have, how to get a hold of it, and have your trust documents readily available.
Yeah. And another thing, this being a part of this Legacy Care Program, you'd get priority access to the firm. So we would have time blocked off in the week so that you could make an appointment with us if you needed a phone call or an annual meeting or something of the like. So
we're really happy to be offering this. I think it will help our clients to be sure that they have that care that they're looking for and that their family also has that care. If you're not a client, we'd love to see you and have you become a client, put a good trust plan in place, and get to be part of our Legacy Care Program as well. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you.
Thank you for listening to the official podcast of the Law Office of Libby Banks. If you're in need of an estate plan, please reach out to our team by either calling 602-375-6752 or emailing info@libbybanks.com. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Just search the Law Office of Libby Banks. Free consultations apply to new and existing estate plans only. If an estate plan is not completed or was prepared by a third party, revisions will be given at an hourly rate. This has been a T-Door production. Music by Track Tribe.